Hey guys, I'm aware I look like a hot ball of garbage. GARBITCH, garbage. Okay.
I'm working all day, all night, don't need no help, I'ma be just fine. I'm all about that grind, cause I wanna be that chick.
So, I'm like at a very odd angle. Basically, we're gonna start Chloe Ting's Ting. Shoot, I don't know her name. I was correct, Chloe Ting. We're gonna start Chloe Ting's 2020 14-day ab challenge. I don't know what it's called. 2020 14-day something. I have like to write things down. So I wrote down what workouts we're doing every day for the 14 days. I have my water. I'm at my gym. I'm gonna go and we are gonna work out. So I want you guys to know if you're starting a workout journey, you're not alone, because I don't know what I'm doing anymore in this world and it's kind of scary. Also, we have towels here, how bouge. Basically, come on this journey. I'm gonna be doing it every day. I'm gonna time lapse it every day. Comment below if you started anything. If you did a couch to 5K, if you ran a mile, if you walked around your neighborhood. Comment below what you're doing to get fit in 2021. Because you know, this pandemic weight with a baby, not my favorite. Also, I have this like sauna suit thing. There's the label. This sauna suit for some extra help in that department. Anyway, so we're gonna do this for 14 days. We're gonna see what happens. I'm kind of excited. Like, I love like structured workouts and this is my cup of tea. Anyway, let's go work out. Okay, I don't know how it works, but I'm gonna figure it out. Okay, so it's just a Roku. Roku, easy. Bam, okay. Please don't not work. Oh, thank goodness. Okay, let's see if we can get to YouTube. Come on. I will find YouTube. I know it's on here. The sucks. Plan B, a dirty iPad. You guys, I only did 2. I did the warm up and my first full body. She's kicking my booty, if you couldn't tell. Let's see. We have abs, legs, and glutes. I'm so weak. I couldn't do 85% of that workout. I'm not giving up though. One more. Well, 2 more. now. We did it. Look at my face. Cool down. Here we go. I'm dead. Hey, hot tip, friends. My ear hurts. If you're working out and you're like, not if you're working out, use freaking moisturizer, guys. I'm gonna use a serum, that cream moisturizer, and then a serum, because if you don't use this stuff, you get wrinkles. The mood lighting, my love. This is a reminder that just because you're fat doesn't mean you don't get to eat, so fuel your body because you need to. Right, babe? Also, another reminder that I can't work out at night because it's like 2:01 and I am not even the slightest bit tired, and I've been constantly going to bed at like 11. I ruined myself. I think my giant water bottle is gonna get here tomorrow, babe. My giant water bottle will be here tomorrow. Should I order you one? Okay. I'm gonna eat my tuna salad. This is a very balanced meal. We have a nice carb, we have a good protein, lean protein, and the mayo is fat. It's like mayo mustard relish. Very healthy. Day 2. I have to charge my iPad before I can get started. Also, if you're wondering why my iPod always has stuff on the screen, mind your business. I have kids. Anyway, I had to wait for my iPod to charge a little bit. It was completely dead, so anytime I turn it on, it kind of dies again. So I'm just waiting for it to get a little charge while I'm rolling around on a ball. And okay, so I've started like a lactation therapy. I need to up my supply. So I drank that entire thing today, besides what's at the bottom. 0 out of 10 recommend putting the tea in it because I hate licorice. And it's very strong licorice scent. So I'm gonna be not doing that in the future. I'll just fill up the bottle all the way up, and then whatever I wanna make my tea with, I'll just pour it from that and just drink the tea then. Now we wait, bitches. Day 2, bitches. Let's go. Wait, Lola. Anyway, I'm glad we are confident. Literally don't know. I don't even know who I'm looking at in the mirror anymore. It's not me. I filmed that video and then I stopped working out for 11 days. Shut your mouth.
You know what? There'll be some funny things that you're going back to do it.
Period. Guys, it's Monday. It's the best day to get a 2-week shred workout kind of started. So we got eyebrows on, nothing else. Let's go to the gym. Right, babe?
What time it is?
He called me fat.
Shut the
Is he wrong?
I don't think those words came out of my
They
mouth.
didn't. Also going barefoot because I have no socks and I can't be bothered. Let's grab our iPad and go. It's actually dead, so we have to take the charger. Now, one might ask, where have you been for the past 11 days? That's a great question. Here's the answer. I was packing up my store and I was stressed about it. It was also very physically demanding and I had to be away from my kids, and then I wanted to be with my kids and all that kind of stuff. And like at the end of the day, after you're packing all day, you don't want to come home and work out. I don't anyway, because I was already doing a lot of like pretty physically demanding work, carrying things and stuff like that. Anyway, so where have I been? First of all, packing up a store, leaving. Got out on the 27th. And I think I filmed my first day, like the last video, on the 25th. So, got out of my store. Then, I had so many jobs to do, like makeup artistry jobs that were like all day things. And I was tired from that. And again, wanted to see my kids. So that happened. And then I took a week off, straight up. Took a week off, didn't do anything. My sister-in-law came in town with my brother-in-law, and here we are. Monday the 7th. Sorry, Monday the 6th, because it is now Tuesday the 7th, but the day is not over until we go to sleep. I am so excited because after this, I get to shower. We had a fun day. We went like downtown. I didn't vlog anything because I've been off my vlogging game. Like I said, I took a week off. I just haven't been feeling it. Ugh. Anyway, we went downtown. We like rode the tracks, like the train. So it was super fun. Lots of walking. So I'm a little tired already, but I need to work out. So I need to do the warm-up, then the workout to lose weight, then the abs 2-week challenge, legs and glutes. Let's do a little where we're at kind of situation so we can see like a before after kind of situation when we're done. Thank you. Hi. Obviously, this little part of my tummy is sticking out of my shirt because why wouldn't it? Why wouldn't it? Okay, anyway, let me take my shirt off. Guys, I can't stress enough that there's a camera right there and someone is gonna watch me doing this. Okay, so here's where we're at. A little front view, a little side view. So we obviously see the issue. Guess what, also, I'm wearing freaking undies that like help tuck in this area. So here's where we are at before. I should pull these down to below because this isn't real. This isn't real. That's where we're at. I hate my arms. Ooh, they're actually not looking bad. My arms are terrible. I have this thing. I just like don't feel the best about myself. So let's see where we're at in 2 weeks, basically. Should I take pictures? Let's get going. the thing. My tummy is a sensitive ass bitch. So those floor workouts for the abs, like when you're laying on your back, I don't know if it's like, because I have acid reflux really bad. I just always have my whole life. So I have acid reflux real bad, and I also have ab diastasis recti, like from pregnancy, like my abs split really badly. So a lot of ab workouts do not agree with me. Like, it makes me nauseous. Like, it makes me feel like I'm going to bubble over, if that makes sense. Anyway, so I did as much as I could on the floor, and then I got up and I did some variations that I knew would hit the muscles she was kind of hitting. Hers were obviously more impact, but I was gonna throw up, but I didn't quit. That's all I gotta say about that. Anyway, let's go shower the frick, and I will see you guys tomorrow.